Hi everyone. So today this video I will show you how to onboard a end user or how to onboard a customer. Let's start how to do that one. First of all, let me go through my requirement analysis. So here just example, while you are onboarding any corporate customer or retail customer, there is two way we can do onboarding through WSO2. So either we need to do onboarding through DevPortal or we can onboard through Carbon portal. So how we can do through DevPortal? Let's start how to do that one. We go through browser here. So this is API manager DevPortal. Okay. So the right side there is one sign in option is here, right? Click sign in here. So it will come as a sign in page. Like as usual we are getting one basic authentication page, right? So this is that one. If you scroll down below there is one create account is there. So if you click create account, right? So it will pop up one more page that is for initiate sign up page, and here you need to enter your username. Okay, so let me add one username here. So for example let me add here admin@youtube.com. okay, so this youtube.com, let me proceed. So there is an option is there, right? Proceed to self register. Let me click this one. So here let me copy this username to my notepad. So I need to use for authentication purpose, right? Later. So here I'm adding my first name here. So I'm giving like test. Last name I'm giving here test data. So password I'm giving here password, right? So here I'm giving one proper password. So here also let me add the same password for confirmation. And organization let me add here YouTube. Telephone number let me add one random number here. And country you can give any country. This is one sample demo, right? So let me select here India. So mobile number let me add one sample number here. So this is one I just added a random number, that is fine. This is only for demo purpose. Okay, so URL let me copy my YouTube channel URL. Let me copy this one. So let me add it here. Okay, so now if you register it is showing what error? Please confirm that you have read and understand the privacy policy. Let me scroll down, just select this check option. Okay, I have informed that I have read and understood the privacy policy. Now click register. So here you know, right? So it is showing what? User registration completed successfully. That means as per the pop-up window it is showing that one. So let's verify actually it is happening or not. So there is one more portal is there. Okay, this is API manager Carbon portal. So let me quickly log in and verify actually our user is added in the user list or not. So let me log in. So this is my new admin user. Okay, so endow.com. let me enter the password. So now after onboarding, how means the end user means verify their customer is onboarded to their environment or not. So there is an user roles is there. Click list here. There is an user is there, roles is there. So click users. So here you can see, right, one user has been added here, admin@youtube.com. that means this user has been added here. Let's use this user to log in the developer portal to verify the customer is able to log in or not. So let me go through this one, close this one. So it's by default it's redirecting to one login page. So let me add the username here. Let me add the password. Let me continue here. So now you can see, right? So one customer those who onboarding just now, right? So they can able to log in this DevPortal. So now I can't see any API. So already if you go through my channel, if you scroll down, right? So there is one video already uploaded here. WSO2 REST API create user and restrict access by the role. So this video it will help you to create one user, create a role and how to assign that role to particular user. So through that way you can restrict your API. So for this demo purpose let me quickly do what? Let me go through Carbon portal. That is an assign role is here, right? Let me click assign role. So here I'm giving one API role here just for example those who want to know how I created role and how this is visible in after assigning, how it will be visible for that customer. Kindly complete this video, WSO2 REST API create user and restrict access by the role, this video, so you will get some better understanding. Now let me go through Carbon endpoint. So here let me finish this one. So it is showing what? User admin@wso2.com updated successfully. So it will take some second to reflect, then only we can able to visible that API here. Let me refresh this one. Now you can see, right, now this particular user admin@wsa.com, if you go through here and click this view roles, right, now this user have accessed that particular API expose roles, right, then that's why it's visible in here. So if I just for a negative scenario, if I uncheck this one and finish, right, and let me verify again the view roles. So here you can see now this is 3 role here, right. So just for verification, after removing that use roles, it is visible here or not. Let me refresh this one. So now you can see, right, that API we removed from this particular user. So just for again re-verification, let me cancel this one, assign role, select this expose role, right, scroll down and finish. So now again I added for re-verification, actually this role is working or not for any customer in future activity. So now let me go through developer portal and refresh, right. So now you can see, right, that API has been added to this particular user, means now this user have authenticated to access this particular API. So hope those who are watching this video, so they have at least know how they can onboard a user through developer portal and how they can restrict their API. So hope those who are watching this video newly, kindly go through my channel. So beyond doubt, regularly I'm uploading WS related videos, and upcoming days I'm planning to upload AI related videos which will helpful for your future. So thank you so much those who are watching my video, like, share and subscribe my channel.